Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, welcome to our Noorani Qaida first class. Before we start, let me tell you something very important. Quran is not read fast, Quran is read correctly. So today we will read slowly and carefully. Now we are going to start Arabic alphabets, Arabic letters. So we will start from the beginning, from Alif. So the first letter that is Alif. Alif, just open your mouth gently. Don't say no. Only recognize the letter Alif. Number two is Ba. Close your lips completely, then open them softly. Ba, ba. Next one, that is ta. Touch the tip of your tongue to the upper front teeth. Say ta, ta, clearly and lightly. Clearly and lightly. Next one, that is tha. Bring your tongue slightly out between the teeth. Tha, tha. Next one is Jim. Middle of the tongue touch the roof of the mouth. Sound comes with a soft pressure. Say Jim gently. Jim. The next letter in Arabic alphabet is Ha. Ha. Sound comes from the middle of the throat. No voice, only breathe. Say softly Ha. 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 The next one is Kha. Sound comes from the upper throat. Strong and early sound. Say Kha. Kha clearly. Next one is Dal. Tip of the tongue touch the upper teeth area. Quick and light sound. Say Dal. This one is Dal. Next one is Dal. Tongue comes slightly out between the teeth. Voiced sound like the. Dal. Dal. The next one is Ra. Tip of the tongue slightly touches the roof. No vibration like English R or. No, softly. Ra, Ra, Ra. Next one is Za. Za. Tongue near the teeth. Sound comes smoothly. Say Za, Za. So these were Arabic letters, alphabets that we explained in today's lesson. Just watch this video multiple times. You will be able to learn Quran clearly and correctly. Watch this video multiple times. For the next class, subscribe our YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.